1, 2, 3. I want to present you my new tool from Parkside. It's a hand reverter set. Let's see what it contains. Was very cheap. I pay around $5 on it. I have a plastic bag. So this is the tool, and is a good quality. The steel have some millimeters. We have a key here. You can change this head very easy. Look. You put the key back. This is the safety block, and in the package we have also some accessories. We have more dimensions. Also we have for all dimensions we have 4 pieces. And let's check how it works. Let's see which one is for this or this. Big, smaller. I think this one is good. Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Very good. For $5, it's perfect. For $5, really is perfect.